Hello, my dear fellow Sunday school teachers and learners. It's a pleasure to share some insights and reflections with you all. As Sunday school teachers, we have the incredible opportunity to sow the seeds of faith in the hearts of our students, to nurture and guide them on their spiritual journey. First and foremost, let us remember that we are all learners in the eyes of God, and as such, we need to approach each lesson with humility and an open heart. It's essential to have a good understanding of the lesson material and its context, so we can convey the message effectively and accurately to our students. We must also strive to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere in our classrooms, where our students feel safe to express their thoughts, concerns, and doubts. It's also crucial to tailor our teaching style and methods to the age, interests, and learning style of our students. We should use age-appropriate language, illustrations, and examples to help them relate to the lesson and engage them in the learning process. We can also incorporate interactive activities, such as games, role-playing, or creative projects, to make the lesson more fun and meaningful. Furthermore, as Sunday school teachers, we should always remember the bigger picture and purpose of our teaching. We are not just imparting knowledge or moral values, we are helping our students to develop a personal relationship with God, to deepen their faith, and to apply the teachings of Christ in their daily lives. Therefore, we should encourage them to ask questions, seek guidance, and explore their faith beyond the classroom. Finally, let us not forget that we are not alone in this journey. We have the support and guidance of the Holy Spirit, who can inspire us, comfort us, and guide us in our teaching. We can also learn from each other by sharing our experiences, insights, and challenges. Let us be a community of learners and teachers, united in our love for God and our passion for sharing His message with the world. May God bless you all in your teaching and learning journey, and may your Sunday school classes be a source of joy, inspiration, and growth for you and your students.